how to connect a 50 headset to phone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the A50 headset to your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to connect the A50 headset to your phone, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Use the base station. The A50 headset requires the base station to function as it doesn't support Bluetooth on standard models. Step 2. Get the proper adapter. Use a 3.5 mm adapter to connect the base station to your mobile device. Step 3. Dock the headset. Once the base station is connected, dock your A50 headset. It will automatically connect to your phone. Step 4 optional for A50X models. If you have the A50X model, enable Bluetooth on your phone. Put the headset into pairing mode and select it from the Bluetooth list to connect. So that's how you can connect the A50 headset to your phone. That's all for this video.